Good morning, dear student, class 9. Today I will learn about chapter 2 and topic is secondary memory. Yesterday in the previous class we had discussed about memory of computer and we know that there are two type of main memory inside computer, primary memory and secondary memory. प्राइमरी मेमोरी के बारे में कल हम लोगों ने देखा था. We are discuss about primary memory in previous classes. There are two type of primary memory, RAM and ROM. RAM is called a random access memory and ROM is called a read only memory. Now we will learn about discuss about secondary memory of computer. Secondary memory are used to store data inside the computer. We all know that secondary memory is very important memory inside your computer, and generally it is used to store large amount of data, have capacity to store very large amount of data inside your computer. The example of the secondary memory device, hard disk. Yesterday we are discussing about hard disk is a component, electronic component inside your computer and generally used to store huge amount of data. बहुत सारे डेटा स्टोर कर सकता है. It is depend upon the capacity of your hard disk. हार्ड डिस्क कितने पावर का है और कितना डेटा स्टोर कर सकता है. जनरली 80 GB, it is a power in GB, 80 GB, 160 GB, 320 GB, ऐसे करके हार्ड डिस्क के हम लोगों के पावर होते हैं, कैपेसिटी होते हैं, दैट आर यूज टू स्टोर डेटा. अदर देन और भी हम लोगों के पास कुछ सेकेंडरी मेमोरी के स्टोरेज डिवाइस है, एज लाइक पेन ड्राइव. सभी लोग you all know about pen drive is a small component and used to store your data and transfer data one computer to another computer. CD, also called a compact disc. DVD is also a display digital versatile disk and it is also called a secondary memory. First of all, we will learn about some hard disk. What is the hard disk? The hard disk in your system is known as data center of your PC. It is also called a data center of your PC, used to store all your program and data. Hard disk is used to store data and type of various secondary storage devices such as CD, DVD, pen drive. Hard disk store information on one or more circular platters which is continuously spinning disk. हार्ड डिस्क के अंदर जो डिस्क लगे हैं दैट इज स्पाइनिंग एंड फिगर इज शोन इन योर बुक में दिया हुआ है हार्ड डिस्क का, एंड इट इज कॉल्ड ए स्पाइनिंग डिस्क. इट इज मूविंग व्हेनेवर डेटा इज प्रिजर्व. While the platters spinning, information is recorded on the surface with the help of the magnetic head and magnetic spot. Platters क्या है? Is a component of hard disk. Or platters are actually disk inside drive that store data. Actually used to store data. Most drive have at least two platters. Large the storage capacity of drive, more platters it contain, each platters can store data on each side. Spinal motor, spindle motor, and this is a small motor and used to play and run the platters. Drive separated by the disk space are clamped and rotating spindle that run all the platters together. Read-write heads are used to read your data and write your data read-write data to platters. It is typically one head per platter side. Each head is attached to single actual sock that all the heads move in unions unison, where one head is over the track, all other head are the some location over their respective surface. These are the hard disk components. Now we will learn about the DVD, compact disc, CD. CD is also called compact disc. Compact disc is known as CD, optically medium of used to store data, and generally it is used to transfer data one computer to another computer. हम लोग CD ड्राइव में डेटा को कैप्चर करते हैं, कॉपी करते हैं, स्टोर करते हैं और फिर दूसरे कंप्यूटर पे हम लोग ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं डेटा. Compact discs are cheaper than other storage devices such as hard disks or RAM. Compact disc was developed to store playback sound recorders. However, later on it come to use in data storage. CD-ROM, compact disc, read-only memory. CD-ROM is an optical disc that is primarily used to store data in form of text, image, audio, videos. Data can be used to store. Data available on such disk can only be read by the using a drive known as CD-ROM drive. CD are compact discs readable. Readable are used to read your data, and CD read-write. CD read-write give permission. It is also read and write some data inside. Now we will learn about DVD. DVD is also called digital versatile disc and is another optical storage device that was developed in 1995. A DVD can hold up to 4.7 GB of data. 4.7 GB of data, that is a huge amount of data can be stored by the DVD. Data and much faster the CD-ROM. CD-ROM से fast work करता है. DVD also known as super density disk can store 17 GB of data. The following are three category of DVD. DVD-R means DVD reader. It is used to only read your data. DVD-ROM, read only memory. DVD-RW, read and write, both permission are uses. DVD are used to warm technology and similar to CDR. DVD-R discs are available in 4.7 GB to 9.4 GB of capacity. DVD-ROM is an optical disc that is used to capable of storing data in 4.7 GB up to 17 GB. Earlier you could play DVD only on the DVD player. However, nowadays computer come with a suitable ROM and play DVD moreover. Now DVD also serve as high capacity of storage. DVD में हम लोग बहुत सारे डेटा को स्टोर कर सकते हैं and it is an secondary memory device. DVD RW, रीड राइट के पर दोनों को परमिशन देगा. रीड भी कर सकते हैं और राइट भी कर सकते हैं. ब्लू रे डिस्क are used to store huge amount of data. It is a new technology. Blu-ray disc is an optical disc storage medium. The Blu-ray disc was developed by the Blu-ray Disc Associated (BDA). It is used to record, store, playback high definition video of a high quality of resolution, digital audio and computer data. To read and write data, Blu-ray disc boil it later instead of the read laser beam used to optical disc technology such as DVD, DVD-R, DVD-R मतलब रीड कर सकता है, DVD RW रीड एंड राइट दोनों के परमिशन है। तो ब्लू रे डिस्क एक न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी है एंड दिस आर यूज टू स्टोर लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा, बहुत सारे डेटा को स्टोर कर सकता है। नाउ यूनिट्स ऑफ मेमोरी, मेमोरी के यूनिट्स के बारे में हम लोग देखेंगे। हाउ टू मेजर मेमोरी, मेमोरी को कैसे हम लोग मेजर करेंगे। अ कंप्यूटर स्टोर डेटा internally in the form of binary number. We all know that all the data stored in computer 0 and 1 form, that is called a binary digit. Binary digit data are stored in computer in binary digit, that is 0 and 1. 0 off flow voltage and 1 is on flow. All the digits 0 to 9 alphabet A to Z special character are stored in the computer in binary form. That is called a American Standard Code for Interchange. Assign a unique number for all the alphabet and special character. In a computer, character are represented by group of bit and depend upon the encoding scheme being used. Encoding scheme is number specified and there are given some. Following is the describe the unit of memory as computer. जैसे 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. There are given 1 byte is equal to 8 bit, 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to kilobyte. 1 GB gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabyte. As like 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte, 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabyte. These are the memory. Okay student, just we are learn about some secondary memory in this video. Now we will learn next video portable memory device in the next video. Thanks all of you.